What is up, people of YouTube? I'm doing an unboxing video of this camcorder. I just got Panasonic HC V10. I'm going to be putting this on both my channels, this video, but I'm also going to be using this on my separate channel. I have it in my sub box right now, but I don't really want to talk that much about the camera. I'm not like a camera expert. I just know it's a pretty decent camera. And I'll do a quality test, maybe this video or the next video, mostly next, like another video after this, but let's get it all unboxed. Just picked it up today from Best Buy after I ordered it last night. Wish I would have got it last night, but I don't want my camera now. I'm doing this, I'm recording this with my HTC. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Not bad, you get in the way. Alright, some kind of audio video cords, I guess, put to a TV, I guess, power cord, or plug, USB, and the holy prize, oh, this is called battery, setup CD, and manual book, but this is what we care about. Oh, pretty light. Let's see if I can get everything in there. And I didn't get an SD card or a tripod yet. I need to get that. I'm going up north tomorrow, so I'll probably record some stuff up there. This is going to go right here in the back. Alrighty. Did that go right there? I think so. Alrighty. Put the battery in the back there. Alright. Does it need to be charged or something like that? I'm not sure. That looks like the power button. Wait. Yeah, hold on. Let me plug this in real quick. Here. I'll fast forward a little bit or skip till I get it all plugged in and figured out and turned on, so. Alright, looks like you got it figured out. I'm just setting date and time and stuff like that. Focus. It's August. What day is it? Oop, nope, I want move over. Is that the 14th? Shit. What day is it? God damn it. I picked it back up here, right here. It's August 16th. I don't know what the confusion was for. Alright, August 16th, 2012, and it's about, oh shit, it's like 3 something. Oh, wow. This is pretty stupid. I'm just gonna say it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, which I think it is. Alright, enter. No. No, I don't want to do that. No card, so I can't record anything. That's unfortunate. I will have to get an SD card. I'll do it today or tomorrow. I'll ask my friend to pick me up, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I will do a quality test video, and I'll compare this. I never use this camcorder on my phone for anything really, but I'll go back and forth between the camcorder and my new camcorder here. So yeah, yeah, I'll put the quality test up later. Bye.